Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So all of you take your maths book, okay? So all of you take your maths book, math steps, step B. So this is your maths book. Take page number 32. Page number 32. This is periodic test, okay? Ring, circle the sum, okay? So here 4 plus 5 is given, okay? So 4 plus 5 and 3 numbers are given. So among these 3 numbers, which one is the correct one? You have to circle the correct answer, okay? The correct answer you have to circle. How will you find out? Let me show you. 4. So addition, okay, plus. This one is addition. So addition means what? We get something more, okay? Addition gives more. So here 4, how will you add? First 4 lines you will write. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So after that what is this number? This one is 5. Then 5 lines. Put 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count it all togetherly. Okay. So togetherly you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5, how much you got? 9. 9. You circle this 9. So it is already circled here. Okay. Next one is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, how much? Okay, let us find. Okay. First number is 6. You will write 6. You will write 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the second one? 4. Then 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now counting this all together. Okay, so counting this togetherly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we get here? 6 plus 4, 10. So here you got 10. Where 10 is? Yeah, here you find 10. The circle this 10. Okay. So 6 plus 4 gives 10. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Okay. 10. Circle the 10. Circle number 10. Okay. Now 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, how much? Let us find. 7. Write 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The next number is 8. Now put 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8 lines. Now count togetherly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much we get here? 7 plus 8, 15. So see here, where 15? Where is 15? Yes, in the middle. Okay. So circle 15. 7 plus 8, we get 15. Okay. Now next, 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that, and second number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now counting this, how much we get? Let's see. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4, how much? 14. Now find where 14 is. Yes, at the 14. Then circle this 14 because 14 is the correct answer. Okay. Here 14, 5, 13 is given. So among these three numbers, you have to find what is the correct answer. 14 is the correct answer. So circle. Okay. Circle it up. Next, tick the difference. Tick the difference. Here difference 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, how much we get? How will you find? Okay. First, you put 7 lines. 7 number is given. No, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So from this 7, 4 got removed. That is, we are subtracting 4 from 7. Then cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining how many stripes or how many lines remained? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 3, how much? 7 minus 4, how much? 3. So 3 is already ticked here. Okay. Now 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, how much you get? First put a line, 9 lines. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The second number is 5. So since it is minus, since it is a subtraction, you have to reduce it. You have to cut. Okay. So you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I have cut it here 5 lines. Okay. So after removing these 5 lines, how many lines remain? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 4. We got the answer 4. So now see where 4, where is 4? Yes, this is 4. Then circle the answer 4. 9 minus 5, how much we get? 4. Okay. So next one is tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. So here you have to see, and if it is correct, then you have to tick, and if it is wrong, then you have to write cross sign. Okay, in the empty boxes. So the first one is already done here in the book. 4 is greater. This sign is the greater sign, greater symbol. Okay. So greater than 10. So tell me, 4 is greater than 10. Is it correct or wrong? Greater than means what? The number. Greater means what? The number which comes after. Like 2 and 5. Okay, so which one is the greater? After 2 only 2, 4, 5 comes, right? So 5 is greater than 2. So this one 4, is it correct? 4 is greater than 10. No, it is 4 is lesser than 10. It is not greater than 10. Okay, so here this one is done for you. Put cross here. Okay, next 12. 12 is greater than 10. This is a greater than symbol which is pointing towards right side. Okay, so greater. So 12 is greater than 10 or lesser than 10. You say, find out this one. 12. So 12, we don't count 12, 11, 10. No, we count 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12, 10 comes first. That means 10 is smaller. 12 comes after. That means 12 is greater. Okay, so 12 is greater than 10. Yes, it is correct. Then put a tick here. Okay, correct. Then 11 is greater than 11. No, both side 11, 11. That means equal to. It is not greater than or nor it is lesser than. Okay, so it is equal. That means this one is wrong. Put cross tick here. Okay, next one is 9 is greater than 7. So yes, 9 is greater than 7. Put a tick, okay? So tick mark here. Now 17 is lesser than, this one is lesser than symbol pointing towards left side, okay? So lesser than symbol. So 17 is lesser than 15. Is 17 lesser than 15? Do we count 17, 16 like this? No, we count 15, 16, 17. So after 15 only 17 comes, okay? So that means 17 is greater than 15, not lesser than 15. So it is wrong. Okay. Next one is 14 is greater than 10. Yes, 14 is greater than 10. Put a tick mark here. Okay. So children, I am using here pen, red pen, okay, for a clear view so that you can see it clearly. But you don't use any pen while writing. You take out your pencil and write, okay. Sharp your pencil properly and write, okay. So don't use any pen. Next, page number 33. The number 0. See the pictures. See the pictures very nicely. On the first plate, how many toffees are there? 2 toffee. On the second plate, how many toffees are there? Only 1 toffee. On third plate, how many toffees are there? No toffee. Nothing. That means 0. So that means 0, okay. So 0 toffee, nothing is there. Now suppose if you are having something, okay, if you are holding something on your hand, that means you are having something, okay. You are holding something, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, I mean materials, anything you are holding, that means anything is there in your hand. If you don't hold, if you don't have anything at your hand, then how you'll feel? Very light, no? So nothing you have in your hand. So nothing means 0. Here you see plate, okay. So there's a plate. In the top of a plate there are 2 toffees, okay. There are 2 toffees, okay. So that means in this plate you are having 2 toffees. On the second plate only 1 toffee is there, okay. On the third place, is there any toffee? No, on the third plate there is no toffee. That means nothing. 0, okay. Next one, 3 cages are given here, okay. On the first cage, can you see anything here? Nothing, empty, okay. So empty, nothing is there inside the first cage, okay. That means 0. Where there is nothing, there is a 0. That means it is 0. Nothing is there. On the second cage, how many birds you see here? Only 1 bird. Only 1 bird. On the third cage, 2 birds are there, okay. So first cage nothing is there, that means 0. Empty cage, it is an empty cage. On the second cage you are having only 1 bird. On the third cage you are having only 2 birds, okay. 2 birds in the cage. Next one, table. Next picture, see next picture properly, page number 33. You can see here a table, okay. So under the table what you find? Book, okay. So that is under the table. How many books are there on the table? Books on the table, on the top of the table. Can you see any books on the top of the table? No, nothing is there, okay. So nothing, no books, that means 0. There is no book on the table, that means 0 book. There is 0 book on the table. There is 1 book under the table. So how many books are there under the table, okay. Under the table there is only 1 book, and the top of the table, on the table there is nothing, that means 0, okay. So 0 means nothing. Now page number 34. Take page number 34. Adding 0. Here you take 2 apples. In this image you can see there are 2 apples on a plate, okay. 2 apples on the plate. Okay, on the second plate you find no apples, that is 0 apples on the plate. Okay, if you add 2 apples with 0 apple, what you get? 2. Okay, so 0 is nothing, you cannot increase anything, okay, by writing 0. See here, 2, if I add a number with a 0, nothing will be added, the number itself will be the answer. 2 apples on the plate and 0 apples on the plate. 2 plus 0 is 2 only. Okay, 2. A number does not change when 0 is added to it. Okay, so a number does not change when a 0 is added to it. Okay, so suppose I'm taking 4 toffees. Okay, example I'm giving you, I'm taking 4 toffees. Okay, I'm having 4 toffees. Okay, and you gave me nothing, 0 toffees. So how many toffees I'll have? How many toffees I'll have? 4 only, because a number does not change. Okay, so this number will not change when I add 0, because I am adding nothing. Okay, nothing to the number, that's why it is not increasing, it will remain as it is. So 4 plus 0, how much? 4. Okay, 4 plus 0, 4. Next one, see, 0 flower in the vase. Okay, there is a vase, that is a flower pot. Okay, so in the flower pot, can you find, in a vase, can you find any flower here? Can you see any flower? No flower, nothing, that means 0. In the second vase, you can see 4 flowers in the vase. How many flowers are there? 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now togetherly, if you do 0 plus 4, so a 0 is added to a number. Okay, or a number is added to 0. Okay, the answer will be same only. Okay, the number will not change, so the answer will be 4 only. So 0 plus 4, how much we get? 4 only, 4. So now you see, 1 plus 0, how much? 0 is added to a number. If a 0 is added to a number, that means nothing is added to a number, the number will not change. That is why 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. Okay, then 2 plus 0, how much? Yes, 2. Then 0 plus 2, how much? 2 is added to nothing. Okay, 2 is added to 0. Okay, so how much you will get here? 2. Okay, the number will not change if 0 is added or a number is added to a 0. Okay, the number will remain same. Then 0 plus 1, how much? 1. Then 4 plus 0, 4. Then 6 plus 0, how much? 6. Yes, 6. Then 0 plus 7, how much? 7. Then 0 plus 8, 8. We get 8 only answer. Okay, and 0 plus 9, how much? 9. Okay, so children, you can see I am using here pen, red pen, for a very clear view so that you can see it clearly, but you don't use pen. Okay, you use pen while writing these things. Okay, now page number 35. Add 0. So now we have seen, I showed you, if a number added to 0 or 0 is added to a number, the number will not change, the number will remain same as it is. Okay, now subtracting, if you subtract a 0 from a number, the same thing only, you will get the same number only. A number does not change when 0 is subtracted from it. Okay, so a number here in the addition also, a number does not change when 0 is added. In the subtraction also, a number does not change when 0 is subtracted from it. Okay, so let us see now here. 2 fish in the pond. Okay, so there are 2 fish in the pond. Okay, so fisherman came to catch the fish. Okay, so 2 fish, there are 2 fish inside the pond. He caught only 1 fish. Okay, 1 fish. So how many remained? That means 2 minus 1, how much you get? That 1, 2, if you cut this one, you remains only one fish. Okay, the fisherman comes near the pond and it caught only one fish. That means one fish in the pond. Next image you see properly. Two fish in the pond. There are two fish, but the fisherman unable to catch any fish. Okay, that means nothing. The fisherman not caught any fish. Okay, so unable to catch any fish. That means 0. Nothing. Nothing is 0. That is 2 minus 0. So how many fish remained in the pond? Only 2 remained, because 0 is subtracted from 2. A number, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the number does not change. Okay, so let us do here. 1 minus 0, how much you get? 1. Okay, 2 minus 0, how much? 2 minus 0, yes, it is 2. Then 3 minus 0, how much? Yes, correct, it is 3. The number does not change, it remains same. Then 10 minus 0, 10. You will get 10 only. Okay. Then 5 minus 0, you get 5. Okay. 4 minus 0, 4. You get 4, because the number is not getting changed when 0 is subtracted from that number. It remains same. The number remains same. So 9 minus 0, 9. You will get the same number. 8 minus 0, 8. Then 6 minus 0, you will get 6 only. Yes, you all are correct. Okay. 7 minus 0, how much? 7. You get 7. Okay. So children, I have used here red pen. So you don't use any pen. Use your pencil while writing. Sharp your pencil and write. Okay. So all these things you practice at your home very nicely. Okay, so practice will make you perfect. Okay, so more and more practice, if you do, you will not make any mistakes. Okay, so practice very nicely at home. Regularly do practicing all these things, addition, subtraction, everything you practice. Okay, learn at your home. Okay, so use your time, utilize your time. Okay, and if you have any doubt or any confusion, okay, and if you are not able to see clearly what is written, or if you have any confusion regarding regarding all these, okay, addition, subtraction, all these things, you have any doubt, any confusion, with the help of your parents, you can contact me at night between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I will clarify all your doubts. Okay, thank you.